All right, hello, South Carolina weather watchers. I am your host for South Carolina weather, Joseph, and we're back on this Sunday morning. Good Sunday morning. And let's go ahead and get straight into the weather. Now, for the hazards, you can see down there nothing really except for some flood warnings near the rivers in some spots. Other than that, nice. Not too bad, and not really anything that we have to worry about for today, really, as it's gonna be pretty quiet today, and we can go to the cloud cover now. I will show y'all that now. This is around right now. I mean, just no clouds really. I mean, we are 12 hours out. Some clouds start to get back in, and then we get some partly cloud. It'll be partly cloudy out there, and then after that, it's going to be just really nice and just some scattered clouds throughout the day today and to tomorrow. So that's pretty much that. Now to get into the maximum temperatures, we're gonna have the low 50s near the upstate, the mid 50s to the high 50s to Columbia, Florence, Sumter, and then we're gonna have the high 50s from Charleston up to Myrtle Beach and the Low Country. And give me 1 second. Thank you. So maximum temperatures is that's what it is. Minimum temperatures here it is with the low to mid 30s around South Carolina. Inside the upstate, we're gonna have mid 30s throughout the Midlands, and then low 40s near the coast. So it's gonna be a cool day today. There's no doubt about that, especially the more upstate you go. So make sure that y'all are all bundled up and all covered up if y'all going outside or even just inside your house because it's gonna be a cold day today. Yeah. So now for our 24-hour max wind gusts. Um, Gust of up to 25 miles an hour in the upstate. Nothing really we have to worry about that. Um, Other than that, everything else 15, everything else is like 15, 20, 10 miles an hour in near Charleston. So it's not really that big of a deal. The snowfall accumulations, obviously no snow for the next 24 hours. You can check the next 48 hours. No snow. And the next 24 hours for ice. No snow is expected at this time. Now let's go to our 24-hour precipitation totals. No rain is expected. We're fine. And then once we go to the 48-hour precipitation totals, no. I mean, we have some near Charleston, but it's only going to be like a tenth of an inch. Now we can go like 168 hours out, and that illustrates a bit more of a better picture, like 2/10 from Charleston and Myrtle Beach. But other than that, clear. Not really anything that we have to worry about, especially for the Midlands. Y'all might not get anything. And here's just a model just showing it. So here we are starting off at around 9 a.m. We can push this forward. There is this snow that we get inside of Arkansas, Tennessee, Mississippi, down in southern Illinois, Kentucky, and Missouri. As we push this forward, you can see all this ice from inside of Louisiana, Texas, Arkansas, and then here it comes right there, just a little bit of rain that might drift to the upstate, and then there goes some showers that are gonna drift into like Charleston County, Georgetown County, Berkeley County, and that's gonna cause some rain accumulations there. And then here we go, the rain actually starts to move in a lot more in the South Carolina, like the Midlands, and it's really just gonna be like a couple of maybe some heavy downpours, but I see just mainly just showers uh, from the system. But here it is. There's the low pressure. There's the showers. There's the snow on the upside. There's thunderstorms out in the ocean. There's ice out here in Texas, like southern Texas as well. That's some cold, cold air. And there's also something that I can show y'all with that as well. So if we go to the GFS and then we go to the 850 millibar temperature anomaly, here we are on the 14th. So let's go to 7 a.m. There's a cold air mass over us right now. We can push this forward. The warm air is going to slightly take hold and it's going to get dominant, but the cold air is going to push that thing out and we're going to be cold air dominant, especially from the 17th all the way to like the 18th, I should say. Really, mainly just the 17th, and then cold air takes back over the 18th, and then we get this huge cold blast that comes in, especially on the 19th. That is one reason why down here where I am, the low I think it's supposed to be like 29 for that day. I mean, this is why. I mean, this is this is like just like widespread 20-degree below average temperatures for us. Um, so it's gonna be cold, especially on the 20th, the 21st, the 19th. So y'all gonna have to watch for that. And then there goes the warm air trying to take back, and then it stays dominant for a while as well, especially like for the 26th all the way through to like the 28th, and then we get kind of just average. Nothing really is happening on the 29th. And then we start to get back warmer than average on the 30th, and then that ends off our January. So, again, we're gonna be cold for the rest, really, and then warm like at the end, but it's gonna be mainly cool for the rest of the month to go. Now let's go to the GFS. Here is our snow up here in the Tennessee Valley, and then we have there's our showers right here. We push that forward. Then we have a high pressure that dominates us, and then brings us calm, nice weather. And then here we have some snow, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and then ice in the middle, rain on the southern side. That's what we're gonna get there. It could be a couple of droplets of snow inside of the northeastern, mainly northeastern parts of South Carolina. Push that forward. Get a high pressure dominates us again. Push this forward some more. Just a couple of showers and rain just going up through the upstate. Then we might get some prolonged rain here. This is 318 hours out in the 27th. And then we have this huge system that is 384 hours out, so we have no idea what that's going to do. But, I mean, other than that, I mean, that's all I really have to say with that, y'all. I mean, just a look at the radar. I mean, clear condition. I mean, nothing else is really happening. As you can see all the flood warnings. And that's gonna about wrap it up. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Have a great Sunday, and I'll see y'all tomorrow with another weather video. Thank you for watching.